Good morning, boys and girls. This morning, you are going to be reading through some OG sight words with your families, and then you are going to be completing a Google form for me. I want to show you a few things on that form and review short vowel sounds, long vowel sounds, and what the word syllable means to help you be successful. So let's go ahead and take a look at that Google form together. All right, on today's Google form, it says you're going to use the sight words that I sent you today to answer these questions below. So for each number, we have a word at the beginning. And number 1, our word is before. So this question is asking us about the word before. And it says, what type of vowel sound is in the beginning syllable of that word? So we first have to know vowel sounds and know the difference between short and long vowel sounds. We also have to know what a syllable is. So let's start by reviewing short and long vowel sounds to begin with. I'm going to switch this over and grab my sound card deck, and I would like for you to say these with me. Ready? A. A is our short vowel sound, and A is our long vowel sound. Ready? A, E. E is our short vowel sound, E is our long vowel sound. I is our short vowel sound, I is our long vowel sound. O is our short vowel sound, O is our long vowel sound. U is our short vowel sound, U is our long vowel sound. So now that we've reviewed the difference between short and long vowel sounds, let's make sure that we understand what it's talking about when it asks us about syllables. Now, our first question is asking us about a beginning syllable. It's important that you know that the word beginning means first. So what type of vowel sound is in the first syllable of this word? To help us, we can take the word it's asking us about and clap it into parts. Let's try it. Before. Will you try that with me now? Before. So it's asking us about the beginning syllable. We want to think, what did we hear? What kind of vowel sound did we hear on the first clap of that word? Before. And you can clap these as many times as you need at home when you're thinking about the answers for these questions. It's okay, and you can come back and watch this video if you need some more help. All right. Sometimes the questions are asking us about the last syllable of the word. Last, it's important that you know that means final. The last or final syllable of the word. So the last sound that you clap. This question is asking us about the word today. Let's clap that together. Today. So I'm going to focus on that second or last clap. What vowel sound did I hear there? And then I'm going to choose it. Number 3 is asking us about the beginning syllable. What kind of vowel sound in the beginning syllable of this word? So again, beginning means first. Clap out this word and see what kind of vowel sound you hear at the beginning. Number 4 says that you're going to use the sound deck from today and find 3 different words with a short vowel sound. Remember our short vowel sounds that we just reviewed using our sound cards. I did put a special note in here about number 4. Do not use words from questions 1, 2, or 3. So in other words, don't come back up here to the top and use the words after or today or before when you're answering question number 4. And then number 5 just says you can pick any word from the deck today and type a sentence using that word. Writers, remember a capital letter and punctuation at the end. And since you have the sound deck right in front of you, it's important that you spell the words correctly. All right, friends, I'm going to go ahead and switch back over. I hope that review of short and long vowel sounds as well as syllables is helpful to you and helps you do a really good job on your Google form today. Thank you, friends.